Alright, this is the Algebra 1 Regions Common Core January 2016, question number 2. The graph below was created by an employee at a gas station. So here I see the graph. It's asking which statement can be justified using this graph. So which statement can I say makes sense by looking at this graph? So let's just read each of them and see which one makes sense. If 10 gallons of gas was purchased, $35 was paid. So here I can just check, well, the number of gallons purchased, 10, and come up here to check where it hits. It is not 35. 35 is this line down here. At 10 gallons, it's more than 35 where it hits the graph. So it cannot be answer choice 1. Let's take a look at 2. For every gallon of gas purchased, $3.75 was paid. So I can't see in here. 1 would be around here. Yeah, maybe this is $3.75. I'm not sure. At 2, it looks halfway between 5 and 10. It's not on a full number there. At 3, again, it's not on a full number. At 4, I see it hits an exact number. At 4, it's 15. Well, if at 4 gallons, my cost of gas is 15, if at 4 gallons, my cost of gas is 15, I shouldn't do a fraction, let's do a ratio. At 4 gallons, my cost is 15. Using the same ratio, what would happen at 1 gallon? Well, to do that, I can just say, well, what did I need to do to get from this 4 to this 1? I had to divide by 4 to get there, so I'll do the same thing here. Divide by 4 to get here. And taking a look at this, if I say 15 divided by 4, I get that answer 3.75. So for one, if it's 4 gallons to $15, at 1 gallon, it should be $3.75. That looks like this might be our answer, but let's check the others just to be sure. For every 2 gallons of gas purchased, $5 is paid. For every 2 gallons of gas, nope, for every 2 gallons of gas, more than $5 is paid. So that cannot be my answer either. 4, if 0 gallons was purchased, then 0 miles were driven. So if I don't purchase gas in a day, it doesn't mean I didn't drive somewhere, right? If 0 gallons were purchased, 0 miles were driven, we're not talking about driving. We're talking about the number of gallons and the cost in gas. This answer has nothing to do with the information we're given or the question that's being asked, so it cannot be answer number 4. Therefore, it must be 2 like we were thinking before. The answer to this is 2.